It's nice and wide. There you go. Just hold it down. Hold that. Then you don't have to hold it like perfectly straight. Just keep it as comfortable as you can be.
Upward like that, or?
Hello.
After they call these tickets.
All right, we want to thank everybody for coming out. This is the first
Your camera.
attempt at the Deuces Wild and the Show and Go Auto Detailing Car Cruise Night. We're going to do it the second Wednesday of every month. So this was the first. Hopefully everybody enjoyed themselves. I know it's getting a little chilly, but next month will be nice and warm, and it'll be a lot more desirable weather. We want to start out with 50-50, so can I get one of these boys up here to come pick the 50-50?
Split it with you. That's mine, kid.
We definitely appreciate all the support from everybody with the shirts, the 50-50 in the basket. So the 50-50
Is the red ones, I think.
for $58 or $59. I forget what's in the envelope. If I'm wrong, it's his fault. But can you pick one out of here? Pick one ticket. Hey, can you get that to Chris so he can read it?
You do that.
All right, be ready.
Huh?
Ticket number 705222.
Same for you too.
You read it?
What is it?
Yeah.
7022?
No.
705222.
B. I had 235.
Got it.
Who's the winner?
Got it. All right.
We have a winner.
Thank you. Appreciate the support.
Hers was like 2 off.
All right, now the other little man to come up. All right, so we put together, my wife was up till 2 in the morning building this thing. We put together a basket, and I don't have the list with me. The basket's a $265 value. It's got some custom beer in it, movie, American Graffiti, some CDs, jukebox music, support shirt for us. It's got
Stay here, okay?
tons of gift certificates, tons of beef jerky, everything a guy could want. So,
A girl in there?
there's plenty of gift certificates. So, to the Red Robin, gift certificates. All right. Now the four of them. I'm gonna pick the ticket. Shake it up. All right.
70. Come on. Do better than your brother. Give me a winner. Give me a winner.
536354.
Nope, missed it.
Hold on a second. That might be it, but let me just get my light here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a 5.
536354. Got a winner?
Come here, bud. Over here. Hold on his hand.
But when you pick it up, this is
Stop.
Will you let him go?
all right.
Let him go.
Stop trying to walk off with it. Here, Anthony.
All right. So we're going to start with the trophies.
Hey, come here.
All right, trophies are full.
All right. What we had was let's explain real quick because I don't want anybody to have any issues or animosity or anything like that, because everybody's got great cars here. Every single one of these have some awesome cars. You got some old rat rods, you got some high-end antiques, and you got some new cars that are just bad. So yeah, everybody's got great cars. We didn't do this judging on a point scale. We basically did this on what we liked. We didn't go and pick friends. We walked around and looked at the cars that are our taste and what we like. So, we're going to do some trophies tonight, and then next month, we're going to try to rotate it. Remember the cars that we picked, and we're going to try to pick some new cars. But just so everybody's clear, that's how the judging goes, so there's no whining. All right? And if there is, this is Chris from Show and Go Detail, and this is his event, and he's the one picking all the trophies. All right, so what we did was we had barmaids come out from the stadium, who I also want to say, thank you to the stadium because they sponsored this and they sponsored the trophies. And Tesha for serving beer. She's been out here all night taking care of all you guys. So we definitely, the beer. Get the peanut gallery back here. All right, so to the barmaids picks. So the first two trophies are going to be barmaids picks. All right, the first is number 40, and I hope everybody registered. Number 40, it's a 1926 Ford Coupe Purple, sitting right there. Thank you. All right. The second barmaid's pick, and I'm not quite sure why she picked it because we only used it to block the entrance, but it would be number 3, Dave's Big Toy, the F350. All right. All right. So the next pick, the next group of cars were picked by me, just me and Chris, what we liked. All right. So the first one is number 5, a 1998 Ford Mustang GT. 1998 Ford Mustang GT. And I guarantee you this will be the last Ford that's on. No, I'm so kidding. Is this thing on? I'm sorry. All right. Next one's number 21. Number 21, 1951 Chevy. That would be Scott from the Iron Rebels. Yeah, bud.
Anybody need my autograph?
And also with your trophy comes a subscription to Alcoholics Anonymous for you and your club.
I'm glad that thanks. I need help. Thank you, fellas.
And we want to thank the Iron Rebels for their support in coming out. They're a great bunch of guys. The next one is number 23, a 1950 Ford F1. Number 23, 1950 Ford F1. Yeah, buddy. Awesome. You got it, brother. All right. The next one is number 27. Number 27, it's a 1968 Chevy Camaro SSRS. All right. Got it. Thank you, brother.
Get over here.
All right, next one. All right. Next one's number 37. Number 37. It's a 1985 Chevy Monte. Yeah, buddy. Wow. All right. 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo. Number 37. Thank you. But you can't go nowhere. Next one is number 2. Number 2, 1952 Chevy Coupe. 1952 Chevy Coupe. And I know who that belongs to. Yeah, buddy. I love that. I love that. All right.
Here, pal.
Let's see.
Here, pal. Up here.
The next one is number 11. Number 11, a 2009 Ford Mustang clone. Yeah, buddy. Look at that.
Yeah, Anthony!
Awesome.
Hey, look at that. That's for you, pal.
All right. The next one is number 16, 2008 Ford GT 500 Shell.
Here, you all look.
Number 16. Wow, these Fords are dominating here, aren't they?
Hand it to him.
Here, we'll hold it.
Say you won, buddy.
Look, shoot Daddy.
All right.
Let me see. It's awesome. There you go, Tony. Your first trophy.
Have to take a picture of him beside it.
Yeah.
All right. So,
Yeah,
listen,
car. That's yours.
that was it for the trophies, right? So we were just trying to keep it at 10. Hold on a second. Hold on, guys. We were trying to keep it at 10, you know, and the stadium paid for it, and we wanted to keep this a free event. And, you know, Joey from the Deuces Wild, he wanted to have a club pick. And he wanted to have a show and go pick. So Joey, I'll hold these up. Joey paid for these 2 trophies. All right. So,
Always love to go to Bob.
so the first one, this is show and go auto details pick. What they did was they walked around as a group, and as a group, this is the one car that they picked that they liked. It is number 40, 1926 Ford Coupe, which will be sitting right here again. And that is show and go's choice. Thank you. Thank you.
Beautiful car, my friend.
Thank you. All right. The last trophy of the night, which is sponsored by the Deuces Wild Car Club. This was the club's choice. The members in the club walked around as a group, and this is the car that they picked that they liked. Number 34, 1931 Ford Model A. That would be Wes.
My car.
That would be Wes from the Iron Rebels.
What is it?
Got it.
That's a plaque.
All right, guys.
Oh, nice.
That's got some weight to it.
That's it. Listen, we're gonna do this again.